Today we have a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL with a 2.5 motor. The customer's saying it was making some terrible noise in the right front. We looked underneath it, it was just a sway bar link. So we're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. Start by taking these off. We're going to use a 3/4. Take those off. These lug nuts are kind of beat up, so sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. Just gotta loosen up the tire like that. Take that off. Now you can see, of course, that's what the noise is. That's rattling, banging. They think the front end's coming apart. So we gotta remove this one and this one, install the new one. Depends where you live. This is a 14 on both sides. And they got actually an Allen in there in case it doesn't just break loose. But hopefully we just hit it with a big gun. It'll snap it right loose. Okay, we'll try it this way first. Hopefully we get lucky. It's spinning right there, so we'll have to get something on the backside, vice grip or something like that to hold it. Okay, took that off. So it's got an Allen, or you can put a star tool in there, whatever fits. You're gonna have to hold it like that and spin this out. Just depends on what tools you happen to have laying around. You get that off, you just pull it out. You look at these, make sure they're about the same length. Okay. So now these are a 14, and if you can see, it's got a flat spot on the back right there that this goes on. If it's spinning when you tighten it up, that you got to go back in there with an open end wrench like that to hold it. All right, so just like it was here, put that one on. That down. And now the new ones, of course, don't move that good because they're not supposed to. Like that. Get it the right angle and put it in. Just like that. Tighten that up. I'm going to try with just the 14. If not, then I'll have to put my 17 behind it to hold it. Okay, that one's not spinning, that's good. Nice and tight up there. And I'll just do the same thing on the bottom, but we'll have to use either open end wrench or a gear wrench or something on that. Because of limited space, you gotta either use whatever tool you actually got. This seems to be working with a ratchet. Just gotta hold that with a open end like that. And tighten it. Okay, make sure the top one's tight. It's tight. Okay, last thing we gotta do is reinstall the wheel. You're going to tighten it now in a crossing pattern, like that. We'll lower it down and torque it to spec. And that's all it takes to do a sway bar link on a 2012 Ford Fusion with a 2.5 motor.